good, homie. It's a little bit colder today, but you know what? We out here. Little baby wheelie. What's going on, guys? Mr. Lucky Moto here. We got ourselves these ND filters, so as you guys can see, the footage is looking so good right now. I don't know if you guys seen before, or if I'm uploading this for this week's video, or what, just because the footage from without the ND filters looks so bad. But as I said in my last video, I got myself a new GoPro. I got myself the Hero 9 Black Edition, and so far I'm loving it because I've got the media mod and everything. So it's a very simple setup compared to what it was before, and I love that, dude. It is like so nice not having to worry about fucking it's so nice not having to worry about like my audio adapter falling off mid-ride, because sometimes I didn't do that because the pad would get, because like the sticky pad would get like not sticky anymore. Like legit, it was so frustrating. Oh. Like that. I can get a better one than that. Okay, well anyways, also I got like a sliver under my pinky nail, so that's fun. Yeah, it just hurts to even grab anything. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna teach me to be really light on the bars, that's for sure. So it's not necessarily a bad thing, but definitely not ideal. But you know what? I'm excited for this because I love going out and riding in the Twisties, and it's only helping improve it. Throttle, and then we're gonna brake. Downshift a little bit, trail off going into the turn. This one's a bit sharper. Downshift again, come in, trail brake, let off, maintain, exit, speed up. Road work ahead. I sure hope it does. Yes sir. Let's see. Road work is done that way. Let's go this way. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see how it goes, because usually this road actually has quite a bit of dirt on it, so we might not be sending it during this, but one lane road ahead. Interesting. Okay, so it might really just be, might really have to baby it. Yeah, so we're really gonna have to baby it. Wonder what they're doing. Cutting down trees? That's what it looks like. Let's go. Still a little dirty on these roads. Let's see. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing. Let's see. I don't ride these roads very often, so it's like probably not going to be sending it too hard on them. Definitely have a little bit of fun though. 20 miles an hour? Bruh, I bet you not. I bet you I can continue with my speed 3s. Okay, so I dropped to about 40, not bad. This one though, I might have to jump a little bit slower. Especially considering that there is dirt on there. This one gets a little sharp. I'm probably going to start braking really early just to be sure. Gotta make it through the corner, and oh gosh, this is a lot sooner than I thought it was, which is why I started braking early. If I had braked later, like I had thought I could, bro, I would have been in the dirt. We're also gonna go this way, I feel like ripping through right here. You see, these are more like neighborhood roads, so I'm not gonna push it too hard just because you never know. But no, this one we're just gonna go ahead and here. Okay, peace out. Yeah, you can see a little bit of dirt on these roads. I don't know if you guys can on camera, but when you're right here, just like right in here, right in between like where the tires, because the tires would normally be going right here, there's dirt in the middle of those. So I'm not gonna be pushing it too hard, just kind of cruising a little bit. A little bit of fun, maybe I'll pop a wheelie right here or something. They hurt. They's a hurting. Yeah, there's a ton of dirt in this section right here. Just gonna cut through here. Here. Hopefully this, I'm really hoping this GoPro footage turns out really good. I might, one of these times, I might try recording at 5K instead of 4K, because this one has the option for our 5K, but the only reason I'm not doing it right now is because it only allows for a wide view. It doesn't allow for super wide, which is what I really enjoy using, but I don't know, I'll have to experiment around with this, see if it's worth going to wide view for the, see if it's worth going to a wide instead of super view for the 5K. This road's definitely dirty, so we're gonna chill up this. Gonna get a little bit of speed for these corners. Especially because you never know. Especially want to be careful in these, because you never know when some dumbass teenager is going to be like, oh, turn it into a racetrack, no one ever comes up this. Ask me how I know. I used to be that teenager. I was like, go up these private roads, and yeah, it's not smart at all. Never got into an accident, luckily, but yeah, it's like, it's just stupid. You do this sort of shit, you're just stupid. You're just asking for death. See me? Even I'm staying, unless I can see all the way through the corner, I am staying on my side of the road. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me on those Twisties. It's a blast. So much fun. I really want to start going experimenting with Twisties more. I used to like, what I really wanted to do was stunt, but now I've been riding bikes more. I still want to stunt, don't get me wrong. I still want to learn how to wheelie. Obviously, you guys saw me do some wheelies over there. They are very good, but I'm trying to get there. But it's like now, like, my passion really is honestly in the corners. It's just so fun just being able to like lean over and just have the corners just be right there. Part of me has thought about kind of taking this thing and turning it into more like almost like the Aprilia 210 kind of thing. Like I was thinking about getting another windscreen for it, cutting it right here, getting some more aggressive bars that lean up more like there, lean more like straight across and up. You know, I kind of thought about turning it into like a kind of like a custom 210 fully fair naked bike style. Wide open throw. Hey, look at me. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I saw you inching up like that. I saw you. You ain't hiding from me. Boop. Skirt. Jesus, take the wheel. Take the wheel. Oh. Stop. There we go. Hey Siri. Play California Girls by Katy Perry.
California Girls featuring Snoop Dogg.
Shut up, hurry up. I need my white girl music. Come on, let's go. Listen to this song! Woo! Now you're both fine. Actually, you know what? No, we're gonna go this way. was a good wheelie. I'll take that. Dude, it's such a nice day. I love this shit. Sorry, I need to stop cursing. I need to really work on it badly. God's been really trying to... God's been working on me, and he really needs to stop cursing. Wait, did I? Okay, I did. At this point, I don't even really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just chilling and just riding around while I'm waiting for this girl to let me know that she wants to be picked up. And yeah, so it's just kind of like, wait, sir, your bumper. Sir, your bumper. I actually shifted into first gear. I came up a lot faster than I thought it would. Yeah, I think I was actually in first gear. I really need to get like a gear indicator on this thing, because otherwise one of those days I'm going to do that and I'm going to loop it.
I want to be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it